man, I'm gonna miss these nights.
Who says they have to end? It's not like we have any place better to be.
You ready?
Yes!
All right, let's go.
Let's go, Vince! Reverse jackknife, baby!
We should go hike McGizzy Falls.
Hiking? Guys, aren't the falls still off limits because of Danny Hagel?
Welcome to Vince's Wild Wilderness Adventure.
Woo! I told you it'd be epic! I don't think we ought to be touching any of this.
This could set us up for a real long time. I mean, it could literally change our lives.
We get out of here, we go our separate ways. You forget you know us.
No problem there.
How you folks doing today? And, taking the sights?
Well, it's a beautiful day for it.
What is so interesting up over that hill?
You just killed a saint. Now you've taken one of their kids hostage. I'm talking to a dead woman.
Alex, run! You hear me?
That mouth is gonna get you in big trouble.
No.
Spoiled.
Spoiled? What?